Hi guys, today I'm just going to model for you how to do the three videos about the transform fault. So this is the before video, and then I'll quickly at the end, at least this is the before part of the video, and then quickly at the end I'll show you the after video. So here we go. This is an example of a transform fault. The plates that are involved are the Arabian plate to the east and the African plate that's to the west. Zooming in, we see that this is the Dead Sea transform fault. And what's happening is that the two plates are actually both moving in the same direction. So instead of doing this, they're going in the same direction but at different speeds. Okay? So because of that, you still get slipping along the fault line. And it's the Arabian plate that is actually moving at the faster speed. We see through here that it's this part of the Red Sea that forms part of the Gulf of Suez. You can see that down here. So it's the Gulf of Aqaba. And also we see that it goes through the Dead Sea and the Sea of Galilee and all these places up through here.